Good morning, Junior Rangers. So most people come here to Gondwana Game Reserve to see all of our big animals, which is great, but there is an entire world of little animals that are vitally important to the ecosystems here on Gondwana, across the globe, and even in your own back garden. Yep, I'm talking about the little creepy crawlies, some of which are not so creepy. Let's go check them out. Alright, so we've seen some amazing insects around Gondwana Game Reserve here, and I'm sure you've seen quite a lot of interesting insects in your garden as well. We've seen some under logs, we've seen them in the bushes, on the leaves, under the decaying plant matter on the ground, even in the ground or so. I haven't made an insect hotel before, but going on what we've seen so far as to where the insects have been, we're going to try and make one right here. Now I know I've seen many insects on this bush before, and it's only starting to come into flower now, so a lot more insects are going to come here as well. So it's a perfect attraction in order to build up a hotel here. I'm going to start with a couple of bricks. So these are some boxes I had lying around that are secured together, and I've put some items inside each compartment, things that kind of represent what we've seen insects in so far. So we've got a couple of stones, we've got layers of different grass and straw, there's some old kind of semi-decaying twigs or branches, there's tree bark, some cardboard, which has got these tiny little grooves left behind for animals to go in and out, and of course some just dried twigs. They're making a nice little bundle around there. Alright, but now this is quite a bright white colour, so to camouflage it a little bit, got a wooden frame. It should fit nicely over it. Snug as a bug in a rug. You can pretty much use anything to make your own insect hotel, as long as there's small little crannies, nooks and crannies so the insects can get in and hide away from their predators, make their home, maybe build a nest or so. Come and check on it once a day, or twice a day even. It might get some different insects in the morning towards the evening or so. See who's new arrivals at your hotel, who's staying over, who's departed and left from your hotel. But always look out for those nasty guests, those ones that might want to bite or sting. Right? This hotel needs a name. I think I'm going to call it Bugwana. Alright.